Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to step number 1 in how to create a dropshipping store using Shopify. Now in this first step guys, we're gonna go ahead and create our free Shopify account. Once we have our account created, we will then go ahead and learn how to use the different tools in our Shopify dashboard. So let's go ahead and create our Shopify account. So to create our Shopify account, I went ahead and put a link in our course page right here. And if you go ahead and click this link right here, we will be directed to a 14-day free Shopify trial. So let's go ahead and click this link over here. And once we do that, guys, let's give it a second while it loads. And there we go. We will be directed to this page right here, which is Shopify's main landing page. And we can see that it's a very nice and clean looking page. Now, depending on when you do watch this course, guys, the layout of the page might change a bit, but don't be too concerned about that. In the front and center over here, we're going to go ahead and put in our email address. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And once we have that done, guys, go ahead and press this Get Started button right here. So once we do that, guys, we will be directed to this page right here, which says Start Your Free 14-Day Trial of Shopify. So once we're on this page, guys, we're going to go ahead and give our store a name and create a password for our store. So go ahead and set a password, make sure this is a secure password, and then go ahead and call your store whatever you want. For this course, guys, I'm going to go ahead and call my store Dropshipping Courses. Alright, so this is just for example purposes. You can go ahead and call your store whatever you want. So once you have your store name and password good to go, we can go ahead and press this Create Your Store button. So let's go ahead and do that. And let's give it a second while it loads. So there we go, guys. We can see that Shopify is now creating our store for us. It was really that simple. It took about 2 to 3 clicks. So once we do that, guys, we will be directed to this page right here, which is a quick survey page, which you can fill out if you want. For time purposes, I'm going to go ahead and quickly fill out some random information over here. And once we have this done, we can go ahead and press this next button. So once you fill this survey out, guys, go ahead and press this next button. And once we do that, we will be directed to this page right here, where we can go ahead and put in our personal information. So quickly, guys, go ahead and put in your personal information. Make sure the information you put is correct. I'm going to go ahead and blur this page out simply because I don't want my personal information available online. So let's go ahead and fill this out very quickly. So once we have our information filled out, we can scroll down to the bottom over here and we can go ahead and press this button right here. So let's go ahead and do that right now, and let's give it a second while it loads. So once we do that, guys, we will be directed to this page right here, which is Shopify's main dashboard. Now we can see that this is a very clean and nice looking dashboard. On the left over here, we have the different tools that we can go ahead and use to create and customize our dropshipping store. And on the right, we just have some basic information about our store. Now with that said, guys, that's pretty much it for this first video. I just wanted to show you how you can quickly go ahead and create your free Shopify account. And once we have that done, guys, in the next video, we're going to go ahead and figure out these different tools over here and how we can use these tools to create and customize our store. So I will see you in the next video.